So today we will study about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. When scientists were discovering elements, they felt the need to group these elements. It can be done by grouping these elements by studying their physical and chemical properties. Let's try to understand some physical properties of metals and non-metals. Luster. All metals in the pure state have shiny surface. This property is called metallic luster. Non-metals, on the other hand, are dull. Therefore, they do not have luster. Hardness. Try to cut iron with knife. Isn't it very difficult? Why? Because metals are hard. Now try to cut a rubber with knife. It must be very easy. Thus, non-metals are soft. Malleability. Let's perform an activity. Take iron nail, coal piece of thick aluminium wire, pencil lead. Beat each of them with hammer. What do you observe? Iron nail and aluminium wire change their shape, but coal piece and pencil lead break into pieces. Harder we beat, greater is the change of shape. Thus, metals, if beating, change their shape and forms thin sheet on beating. This property is called malleability. Non-metals break into pieces like we are seeing in activity. Ductility. Another interesting property of metals is the ability to form thin wires. It is called ductility. With this property, you can see wires of aluminium, copper, tin. Non-metals do not show this property and breaks if we try to form wires. Sonority. The property of producing ringing sound. When a substance is struck by a hard substance is called sonority. Metals are sonorous, but non-metals are not. Conduction of heat. If one end of iron rod is heated, then we can feel rise in temperature at other end also. This means that metals conduct heat. Non-metals does not conduct heat. If non-metals would have been conducting heat, will it be possible to use them as handles for cookers and pans? No. Conduction of electricity. Let's perform another activity. Connect circuit as shown. Check if the bulb lights or not. Repeat the same for other materials also. Observation, material and conductivity. Iron nail is a good conductor. Sulfur is bad conductor. Coal piece is bad conductor. Copper wire is good conductor. From this activity, you can verify that metals are good conductor of electricity, but non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Exceptions. Sodium and potassium are soft and can be easily cleaved. That is, cut to form plain surface by knife. However, these belongs to metal. Similarly, metals are solid except mercury, which exists in liquid state. Iodine is a non-metal, but it is lustrous. Diamond is harder substance, which is a non-metal. What this means is that we cannot classify the substance as metal or non-metal only on the physical properties. To classify, we have to study their chemical properties also. So, we will learn the chemical properties of metals and non-metals in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.